If the product is connected, this is very simple. 1. We first connect the wireless antenna to the product. 2. The publishing terminal and the display device are connected by HD cable. It should be noted that the display device needs to have an HD interface. Finally, connect the power. Now set up Wi-Fi. Press this menu. Enter network settings. Enter network settings. Network settings. This is the Wi-Fi setting. Click on Wi-Fi in the first column. Here is how to connect to Wi-Fi. Connect to Wi-Fi on the same internet as the computer. Wired network settings. Go to Network Settings, Network Settings. First column here. The first item is to set up Wi-Fi. The fourth item is to set the wired network. The default is Automatic Acquisition Mode. Click into the last mode can be set to static. IP can be manually defined. After the setup is complete, you can see the network information. Wired network setup complete. Software installation. Software denied. Please allow to run. After the server software is installed, first determine the address of this server. The server address is now 192.168.0.176. Now get the terminal online. Back to the terminal here. Terminal here. Check this. Terminal network. Are you on the same network as your computer? Press info. This is the IP address of the terminal. Then this is the server address of the middle end. Later, this server address should be filled in as the computer's IP. It's the IP of 0.176 just now. After confirming that the terminal has a network, press info to exit. Press this menu key. To this network setting, right-click to go to this server address setting. Press OK. Press Del to delete previous information. Then the arrow keys switch to the keyboard's number key. It's the IP of 0.176 just now. After the input is complete, we need to wrap the line. Come here also need to be changed to 0.176. How to wrap? Press exit on the remote control. Eject the software disk. Then the arrow keys. Press to change line. After tuning to 199, press Del to delete the previous. Then press OK. Change the keyboard. Then call this number key. Change to 0.176. After finishing, exit this keyboard. Click on the bottom one OK. Click Save. Then Return. Return. Check that the settings are set and do not press the info button. Here is the IP of the computer. Fill it incorrectly. Terminal has IP. Then go back to the computer. Refresh the background. Refresh. See if it's online. It's online now. 0.176. This 0.176 he can go online.